Hey Sculpt Squad, this is Betsy. I want to show you how to access the new on-demand and Powersculpt videos as current members. Go to our website, sculp'd.co, scroll over to where it says Sculp'd at Home. You're going to click on On-Demand Members. It's going to take you down to a login page. Use your member code here. Type in Sculp'd Member 2020, and then your email, and then your mind, body, password, and click on Verify. From that point, once you click, it'll take you to the On-Demand Videos library. I want you to note that these videos from September on are going to be on this page, right? So we're going to start to host everything on this page. All of the on-demand videos from March through August can be found at this link. You just click here, it'll take you back to all of those favorite videos that you've been using. Again, you just need to use your mind, body, password to sign in. As a member, you also get access to Powersculpt as part of your membership. So you would click on Sculp'd at Home, go to Powersculpt Access. I've already signed in with my mind, body, password, and then I have access to all of the videos. I also have access, or you also have access to our nutrition guide if you want to download it, as well as the 30-day workout calendar that we're giving you. So here's the 10 videos that we have created professionally just for you, and you're going to want to check it out. So that's how you access the new on-demand videos, as well as the new Powersculpt series. Get working. I hope to see you guys at the studio or online. Thank you.